Begin computer bloemen. Can you open?
Het is making it smell so because it stinks in here. Anyways, guys, that is my tutorial for my bath. So see you guys in the next video.